Very good morning, Mamta. Yeah,
Good morning, ma'am. Hi. How are you, ma'am?
yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
I'm also fine.
Okay. So, first we dive into, I can see conversation. First, we introduce ourselves. So, first I go. Okay. So, my name is Lalita
Okay.
Jangir. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I also run a YouTube channel, English with Lalita Kumari. If you talk about my qualification, I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers and my interest. So listening audiobook, try to cultivate reading habit also these days, apart from traveling. Yes. And I used to teaching yoga, meditation and dance. That's I enjoy most. Yes. I blessed with a daughter, live in joint family. Yes.
Okay. It's nice introduction, ma'am. Thank you for introduction. So my name is Mamta Kaur. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After that, I earned B.Ed degree and along with I qualified CTA degree also. And I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur. I'm also and my hobbies like dancing, spending time with the family members, and playing some games. That's it all about me.
Okay, amazing. So first is yeah, you also from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
So,
I want to know your English learning journey, which type of challenges you face. Yes.
as you know, ma'am, you can understand like our side, like it is not that much environment. Like little bit, if we can say, like if we are joining any, if we are going any company and any school, English medium school and college, that time we can get this type of environment. Otherwise, like our side, it is not any people is speaking English. We can't communicate to another person and our family member like in our family also like no one wants to improve their communication skill, our friend circle also at least they also don't want to improve communication skills, so we are facing lots of problem to learning this language. So after then like when I decided I should go for learning English because like I faced some of problems while speaking. So I started learning some parts like reading, writing, speaking, listening. I did listening part a lot, and it started after then after 2 or 3 months after I started speaking. So when I spoke a lot, so I started gaining confidence, and when I gained confidence, then I thought like I should speak a lot. At that time, I used to know like I'm making mistake a lot, but I didn't. I should not fear this type of thing, and I should go ahead in our life. And I started my English journey. This type of thing.
Okay, amazing. So how long?
Ma'am, it's been like when I started speaking journey, it's been 1 year. But nowadays, I'm consistent. Like it's been 1 or 2 months. I'm maintaining my consistency. Before I was not consistent, but just speaking part I was doing and learning little bit things. Sometimes I was studying, sometimes I was speaking, but not every day. But I come across lots of videos. Those like lots of person are active on social media. They are speaking English. They are opening own YouTube channel. So like being a housewife, it is good for everyone. So
Yes,
like
yes.
after marriage little bit daunting task for ourselves. We can't manage both things, like if we want to go for outside and if we want to stay at home, and if we are managing household chores and our family, so it is difficult for us. So then like it is the good platform for us. So through the social media we can show off our skill and whatever we want to do. If you have any skill stitching and dancing, learning new things, teaching, so we can do this type of things. So after then I decided I should learn English and I should conversation videos so that like I can feel better myself because I will interact with different type of people. So there is no need to go outside that much. Being a housewife, like we started fed up from household chores. Every day we are doing same thing, so we started feeling fed up ourselves. So that is the good platform. We are sharing our thoughts and
Yes.
we are feeling relax ourselves. we are meeting new people. So it is good for ourselves. So what do you
Yes,
think,
yes.
ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Like it is
Actually,
good for housewife.
yes, yes. Actually, I'm also totally agree with you. Yes, I'm also feel like yes, yes. This if we do every day this thing, so that we think yeah, this is for us. Yes. Otherwise, yeah, we do yeah other household chores as that also. But yes, I'm also feeling like I'm for the moon if I do this thing. Yes, that is also our priority. But yeah, that's it. That is
Yeah,
for
like
us.
we are
Yes,
not complaining. We are not
yes, yes,
complaining to take household chores, but
yes,
at
yes,
least we want to face our mind. We want to go somewhere. Like at least we sometimes it's happened like same work we are doing like in a one like for 1 month. After then, like we want to feel like fresh ourselves. Like we want to go somewhere so that I can feel fresh ourselves again. So we
yes,
want to
yes,
relax sometime. So that like apart from household chores, we are doing conversation, we are improving something. So at least our mind it will think like we are listening, we are learning something. So we
yes,
feel
yes,
relax ourselves. So
yes,
it is
yes,
the good thing. Like our YouTube channel, it will work or not. It doesn't matter.
yes,
But
yes,
indirectly, we are learning English. So whenever we will face this type of situation, suppose we will meet some this type of person, they are related to higher education and they are speaking in front of us. Sometimes it's happened with us. We are going with our husbands, the husbands, colleagues, friends, teachers. So that time we try to meet them. So they speak in English. So that time we are not able to speak. So then we will feel inferior ourselves. Otherwise, like we can interact to them easily. So that
yes,
then
yes,
is good.
yes, yes. Same like yeah. In my case also, actually, I also I like traveling. So whenever I go, I can say with my family, with my partner. So that time, yes, my husband told me you interact in the reception. You interact. You go the
Yes.
you go out
So
your
that we can
comfort
get
zone.
knowledge from there.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
we
push
should have
me.
knowledge.
Yes, yes, yes. So that's why.
Mhm. That's why
That's
they
why.
told to us like you should interact with the people because
Yes,
knowledge
yes,
you should have also. We should depend our husband for everything.
yes,
Like
yes,
that's why he wants like if we are going to market, if we are meeting new people. So that is the mindset. If you will interact to them, you will learn something. Like like he will available or not that time. So if so absence of our husband, we can manage this type of thing. That's why
yes,
they
yes,
are supporting to us.
yes, 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 and yes, I can say because of
How
this
long are
also.
you improving your? Sorry, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, carry on.
yes, yes. Actually, I'm also more than 1 year. Yes,
Okay, more than 1 year.
yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. So did you learn from there?
Learn from there.
Anywhere, sorry. Like, did you
Actually,
learn from anywhere?
actually, no. I purchased a course, but in the between, I can say my mother-in-law passed away that time, so I quit in the
Yes.
between. After that, self-learning. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. I also, ma'am, tried to join offline classes that was near to me. So after that, I thought like I didn't interact offline with the person. So I should go for offline. So there I will like I will learn like till now I didn't listen offline. I didn't interact to any person. So I was thinking like if I will meet offline with the people, I will do conversation. So I will improve quickly. But it was my mindset. I went there and I took a demo class. So I realized they are teaching like grammatical part. So
Yes.
after then
Yes.
I decided like I don't want to learn any grammatical part. I'm
Yes.
interested only like
Okay. Yes.
conversation. If
Yes.
you
Yes.
will do conversation, then I will join. Otherwise, I don't like this type of thing. So after then, I told to them, sorry for that, sir. I don't want to join your like coaching center because
Yes. Yes.
I know already grammatical part and while speaking, there is no need to go for that much grammatical part. We can
Yes. Yes.
learn this type of
Yes.
thing. Nowadays, YouTube is available. So everything, whatever we want to learn, we can learn.
Yes. Fluency comes. I can say the 80%. and the grammatical, that is only 20%. So we focus on speaking part. So that is good for us for fluency, I think. What is your opinion?
Yeah, ma'am, you are saying correct. Like as much as we will speak, so our fluency it would be better.
Yes.
Like suppose we are reading, writing, and listening. Three parts we are doing, and we are not speaking. So we can't learn. Without
Yes,
speaking,
yes.
we can't learn. So it is mandatory. We should speak English.
Yes,
So
yes.
whatever you are making mistake. So initially days I used to make mistake a lot, but I didn't face any fear. I used to think I am in learning phase. There is no need
Yes,
to
yes.
feel demotivate myself. So I used to
Yes, yes.
do this type of thing. Like before I was getting time like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, I used to speak a lot because I used to say myself, I have to learn English. I was
Yes,
very
yes.
enthusiastic to take this language. So that's why I
Okay.
used to do.
That is the, I
And one
can say,
of
the
thing, ma'am, I want
learner,
to say you.
passionate learner of this language. Yes.
But
Okay.
only you are only one person. So I'm talking from the Rajasthan. At least my district also. You are belong to my district.
Yes,
So
yes. Actually, I connected with,
it's-
I think, four members from Rajasthan. But is first
yeah,
is
but
Rajni ma'am, also from
yeah,
Rajasthan. I
Rajni ma'am also
connected with
she's
her.
from Ganganagar.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I didn't connect. I
Okay.
don't. I have fear because
Okay.
they are big YouTuber, big YouTuber, and I just started. So little bit I have fear, but definitely I will try to connect with her
Yes, yes, definitely.
because like I didn't upload that much video. It's been I think I am uploading 10 to 15 videos. I didn't upload that much video before. I was doing different type of work, so that's why.
Yes, I think I go through your channel and you, I think, in Hindi also, yeah? Stories in Hindi also uploaded earlier,
No,
yeah?
this is not. Yeah, this is not related to Hindi. Everything it's related to English. But like I used to translate in Hindi. English story I used to try to translate in English.
Okay. Okay. Now I remember, yeah, little bit. Yes. Okay. So you like badminton, dance, yeah, that also?
But nowadays I'm not doing this type of thing because I don't have that much time. So dancing I can do whenever I get free time. I'm feeling like so, because it is necessary. Like we are sitting in a one place, we are doing editing, we are recording, and after completing our household chores. So like if we are doing dance, so like we are feeling ourselves energetic again.
Yes, yes.
Because indirectly we can say this is the exercise part.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why
of course.
I am doing. Because
Yes.
we are not doing any type of like a walk.
Okay.
So that's
But in my case, I'm every day. I do the yoga meditation little bit, that also, and walk that also, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I also started walking part. I'm not doing exercise, so that's why like I started doing this type of thing.
Okay. So I want to ask you, when you realize you want to learn this language? Yes.
When I met some of people,
Okay.
they talked me in English, and I was not able to give answer in English. That time I realized myself I should learn English, and job purpose I also tried. So that time I realized myself. So then I started my English journey.
Okay. That's great. Yes, yes. Actually,
And
I
mom,
also
you tell
face.
me,
Yes, yes. I'm also like
you can
first
say
I, yes, in the traveling I already give you the example first, and yeah, in I also completed my B.Ed, so I want to do something for myself. So yes, that's the
B.Ed,
reason.
it is necessary. B.Ed, it was necessary to speak English.
Actually, no, but if you want to join any school, so that's why. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, that was
And I,
related to English.
yes,
Because they go for
okay.
that was intensive. So we used to go
Yes,
for.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
they can give to us like any English medium school or Hindi medium school.
yes, yes,
So that time it is mandatory. You should speak English with the English medium students.
yes.
And if you are going to teach to English, so that time you should know English.
Yes, yes. Actually,
After
I
that, you
provided
can
the
make
tuition also. So that's why I try to interact in English and with my daughter. I want to atmosphere at home. So that's why also. Yes, this is mandatory.
it.
Yes.
Okay, okay, it's nice. Yeah, because nowadays, some of parents are going in PTM meeting, so that
Yes,
time it's
yes.
necessary.
Yes, yes. That also.
Okay. Mhm.
If we know, so that time we can, I can say, speak confidently. Otherwise, if we don't know, so how can we speak? Yes.
Mhm.
So that
Oh,
also.
okay, ma'am. So,
In your
so
daily routine, which activity you enjoy the most?
like doing conversation only I enjoy. And
Okay.
another thing, like I prepare like lunch dinner. So that thing I do every day. And apart from this, I'm making videos,
Yeah.
conversation videos. After that, I'm doing editing. This type of thing I'm doing.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yes, actually, I'm. In my case, I'm enjoy my like I go for a walk and do little bit yoga meditation. That's for my favorite part. Yes,
That is
of my.
good, but I'm not going every day outside because it is not possible because we don't have near to any garden. So we
Okay,
can't go like if my husband is available that time, so we can go. Otherwise, we can't go outside.
okay. But in my case, I'm yes go alone, and now I'm habitual of
But
this thing. Yes,
yeah, you can say, but it is not near to us, na. So that's why we can't go.
yes, yes,
It would be near, so I can definitely go. I will go,
yes,
but
yes.
it's not near to me, and I want to go. I want to. I like this type of thing. Like if we are roaming in a garden and we are enjoying with the friends, so we feel better ourselves.
Okay.
And
Yes.
yesterday I was thinking like I should go for a garden because day before yesterday I went in a garden, but yesterday I was thinking, but I was session that time when I was going to in a garden, so that's why I didn't go there. But after that, like suppose I'm not getting time, so I walk on the terrace.
Yes, yes, that also good option for us. Yeah. My next question: who makes you laugh the most?
My friends, when I talk to them, then I laugh a lot because we
Okay.
remember our old memories. So then we laugh. And I
Yes,
like
yes,
to talk with them a lot. But we nowadays, like ma'am, you can understand everyone is busy to open
busy.
our life. So
Yes,
that's why I'm not talking to them. I'm not talking to them that much because someone is studying, someone is doing something. So all are
yes, yes,
busy. So, but rarely, like after 10 days, 15 days, I try to talk. And like on Instagram, we can chat little bit. We can
yes,
send
yes,
reels nowadays. And WhatsApp, we can chat, but talking part, it is less, not that
yes,
much.
yes. And
Hmm.
yeah, your name is Mamta. So I can say my childhood friend name is also Mamta. Yes.
When I saw your name, so then I thought like she should be yeah, like our area. She should be like our related to our areas. So then,
Okay.
because I heard that name a lot.
Yes.
Do you think about like we should go for outside for working purpose? Yeah, otherwise we should stay at home. So would you? How you can manage like if you are going outside and if you are staying at home?
Yeah, definitely depend on choices. Yes. Because different people have the different type of choices. Yes. Some people want
Well,
to,
some like
yes,
some
want to,
ladies are going outside, but
yes,
they
yes,
have to compromise lots from the lots of things. Yeah, sometimes they are not able to eat proper. They can't spend time with yourself. So
you
lots of
have
things
the
it's happen, but
experience.
depend
You
on
have the
situation.
experience. Okay. Actually, I would.
I listen.
was-
I talk to different type of ladies, so I
Yes,
listen
yes.
from there. And
Yes,
they were
yes.
saying like we are not able to make proper food. Sometimes we have to eat outside. So that's why I was thinking I didn't get a experience. Only some days I went for teaching. So that time I got to know it is too much difficult to go outside
Yes.
after doing household chores. Like suppose we are not doing any work, after then we are going. So we will feel fresh ourselves. We will energetic. But you have to complete your household chores. After then you are going outside. So how you will teach? We don't
Yes.
have energy, and it is good for ourselves. And I don't have any opportunity.
Yes, yes. Now not, but definitely will be in future. Maybe in future, yes.
I was thinking like whenever we got a chance, our family situation it would be manageable. Then we will think
Yes.
about it.
Yes. That's
Hmm.
why now we are
But
working on
now we are
ourselves
not
first.
complaining. Yeah,
Sorry?
we don't have any complaint now. Like I'm not complaining. I don't have any type of complaint. Like why I staying at home. Like everything is good.
Yes, yes.
So how we can say like I'm not good?
Yes.
Everything is good.
And after, yeah, I can say reading the book and listening the book, I also get to know if we are complaining everything, so our that is decrease. If we count our blessings, so that is increase. Yes. So every day we try to count our blessings. Yes.
We should go for that.
Gratitude.
Positivity.
Yes. 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 That is necessary
If
for
we
us.
started thinking negative part, so we can't do anything. Negativity,
Yes,
it's pull down to downside.
Yes. Yes.
So everything is happening with us. It's good.
Yes.
We should take in a positive way.
Yes. Yes.
Positivity is good.
Or which one is your favorite?
Ma'am, speaking part, it's and speaking and listening both. But sometimes, like I am feeling tired, lethargic. That time I prefer to listen. Only listening part. I will not do reading and writing part. It's more difficult for me. And listening and speaking part I can do easily. But first listening, second speaking, after then writing, last reading.
Okay.
That time those things are like we
No.
like, but we
Yes,
are not
yes.
studying, so we are not sitting to take this type of thing like I will write, I will read. So till that we are not like, but we started liking this type of thing. So reading part, when I start reading part, so I will read a lot. I don't want to stop that time, but I didn't start, so I will not read. And writing part also like sometimes, but I'm not doing every day. But we should do if we are doing reading. So reading part is like helpful for our conversation. We will come across correct sentences, lots of vocab. So it's
Yes.
good.
Yes. And shadowing practice that also. If we know how to pronounce that word, so that is the helpful
Yeah.
for shadowing. That is helpful us. Yeah.
Yeah, like some person says to us, like you should go for mirror practice. So in like I did only 1 or 2 times mirror with the mirror practice, but I didn't.
Yes.
It is not cup of tea for me.
Yes.
So sometimes I try to read on ChatGPT, and I listen also from ChatGPT
Yes.
so that I can listen good pronunciation. I try to talk with the ChatGPT that time.
Yes. I wrap up. Yeah. Thank you so much. Give me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, same here. And thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am.
Yes. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye.
Have a nice
Yeah.
day.